Okay, we're gonna go over all of the ingredients for our baked cauliflower, air quotes, macaroni and cheese. This is another keto-friendly recipe that I'm sure you're going to love. And if you're like me, you started keto and you have come to realize how important cauliflower is in your life, it kind of is mind-blowing what you can do with it and how satisfying it is. We've made cauliflower mock mashed potatoes, we've had cauliflower fried rice, we've done a lot of different things with cauliflower. But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take some steamed cauliflower and we're gonna turn it into a adequate representation of macaroni and cheese. So what I have is half a large head of cauliflower that I have broken up into small florets and I have steamed. So this has steamed. I steamed mine in the microwave. You can steam yours however you like. And then we went ahead and we made our keto-friendly cheese sauce. We're going to be using this as the base for our mac and cheese. This is 6 slices of bacon that is crispy and broken up. And then we're going to top this all off, but since we can't use breadcrumbs, we're going to use finely crushed pork rinds. These are just plain flavored, just with salt, and we don't need to add any additional seasonings to this recipe. It's going to go together super fast. We're going to pop it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes until it's bubbly, and then we're going to enjoy it with our lunch. So I'm going to show you how easy this is. And we're not using all of this cheese sauce, but I am going to use about that much, and that is about a cup and a half. Okay, so just gently toss your steamed cauliflower in here. Now I will tell you, look, you want to steam this and then you want to drain it. You want to make sure that you've drained it. You don't want any extra water in here. Pop in your bacon. You can also toss some green onions in here if you like, but that's right there, that's the macaroni and cheese. Now I have a little casserole dish. Pour this in there. Spread it out, and then you're going to top it with these crushed up pork rinds. I'm probably not going to use all the pork rinds that I have out here, just enough to cover the top. That's how hard that is. Now we're going to pop this in the oven for about 20 minutes. When it's ready to go, I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, this was in the oven between 10 and 15 minutes. You just want to keep it in there until it starts to get bubbly. If you like it a little more brown on the top than I have it, you can hit it with the broiler for a few minutes just to brown off that top. That's entirely up to you. Oh man, that looks so good. You guys, are you ready to taste this?
If I have to.
Tell me what you think.
That's incredible, and the crunchiness from the pork rind, it really adds to it.
Well, there you have it. Guys, yeah, this is not macaroni, and there's no disputing that. But when you can't have macaroni, this is a really viable substitute. It's going to satisfy that part of your desire to have something decadent, and you're just going to love it. And it's totally on board if you are low carb or keto. So please give this a try. Oh, it's so good. I hope that you do. And if you like today's video, please make sure that you hit the thumbs up button. And if you're new to my kitchen, you wandered on over, you're looking for new ideas, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new folks join me. Please be sure and hit the subscribe button. As always, if you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you get a push notification on your smartphone or an email every time we upload a new video, because we don't want any of you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this cauliflower, air quotes, macaroni and cheese a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.